Hi everyone, my name is Diogo and I want to thank once again Hyper Games Conference for inviting us, Blockbusters, to the event. Today I would like to introduce you once again to QUDO. So QUDO is a blockchain reward mechanism that rewards both gamers and game developers with a token called QUDO. This token can be used in many ways. So as a gamer, I will be getting QUDO tokens for the time that I'm playing QUDO Ethering games, and I'll be able to use those tokens on game A and game B. So it doesn't matter which game I'm playing, the tokens that I'm getting for my playtime can be used across all games on the platform. But on the other side, as a game developer, I'll be also getting tokens for my players' activity inside my game. And with those tokens, I can use to not only incentivize the players to play more by creating achievements and high scores, but I can also use the same QUDO tokens that I've been accumulating for my players' activity on the QUDO B2B marketplace. On this QUDO B2B marketplace, I can hire professionals within the gaming industry to help take my game to the next level. So imagine that I am a small studio or an indie game developer and I need to get specific music for my game because the free sound banks that we can get over the internet doesn't satisfy me and it kind of doesn't go along with the game itself. So I can go to the QUDO B2B marketplace and use the tokens that I've been getting, or even acquire more, and use them to hire this service. And this is not all. Especially for games that are still under development, like games that are still in alpha or in beta, they can still be listed on the QUDO platform. And since players will be already getting tokens, they will be interested in knowing these early stages games. But you can also enable the bug spotting feature, allowing game players not only to receive QUDO tokens for their playtime that are provided by the network itself, but you can also give them more tokens for finding bugs in your game. This way, players not be a bit annoyed by the bugs that they find, but they will also be incentivized to find those bugs and also to report them back to you. It will be, however, your responsibility to analyze those bugs and to mark them properly if they are in fact a bug, if it was already reported, and also the amount of tokens that you want to give as a reward. Well, if you can hire service, like I said before, if you are a service provider within the gaming industry, like you are a 2D or 3D artist, you are a programmer, you are a game developer, you can also register on the platform for free. It's free to use and list your services. Like if I was a sound designer, I will probably put there my services as I want to give like a FTC sound. I want to give a music for types of music. I can put there my portfolio so that game developers can analyze and choose if it is in fact a good service for them. Well, this you can also check our website at QUDO.io and we will have like a video that will sum up everything that I was saying. You can go to see in more detail all the things you can do depending on your user type, like for example if you are a gamer, game developer, or even service provider. The features that we have, like for example if the SDK is really easy to integrate. So if you are a game developer and you always wondered how it could be if you integrated Web3 features to your game, but you didn't want to go to all the trouble and try to learn everything that is with blockchain technology, don't worry. We made it easy for you. With QUDO, you can import the QUDO SDK directly on your Unity engine, and that's it. Then you just need to add the QUDO login button so that your players can log in into their QUDO account inside your game, and that's pretty much it. Then you can, of course, explore, tune in a bit, like creating achievements and I score, but that's totally up to you. To enable rewards for your players and for yourself as a game developer, you can do it in under 30 minutes, which is awesome. Well, you can see all the benefits on our page. You see that players can use these tokens to unlock items. Like for example, instead of using the traditional in-app purchases, they can also unlock items with QUDO tokens. No user's device are used to mine, so this is all done in a delegated proof of stake network. So no PCs, no mobile devices are going to use to mine those tokens. And if you are interested and there is something that really interested you, I will really recommend going to the how it works page or tab on our page, and you'll see how the QUDO token flows within the QUDO ecosystem in our diagram, and also to get to know our tokenomics. I must remind you all that we are currently on the testnet. We are about to launch on the mainnet really soon, but you can also already have an idea of how the tokens will flow within the QUDO ecosystem. Explore yourself. Since it is on a testing phase, on the testnet, while we don't launch on the mainnet, it is the best time for you to explore, try it out with your game. We are continuously doing giveaways and challenges for the players to promote more engagement, even though we are on a testnet. And if you don't take my word, well, just check out our platform. We currently have 36 games available, and remember, we developed only one of them. So we developed the first game that was fully integrated with QUDO. It was Blocks, and since then, the developers from all around the world started joining our platform, and we currently have 36 games from around 16 different developers from all around the world, and some of those developers already added way more than one game. So they started with one game, and now they managed to add more games because they believe on the project. They see that it is really good that you can have a token that can be used across all games. We even have publishers that their business model was to acquire different games from different developers, but they were separated. But with QUDO, they found a way to connect all those games together with its own token called QUDO. Like for example, you see here, Mobaso is one of our biggest publishers. He's a gaming studio, sorry, and they have a lot of different games that were developed from different game developers. But with QUDO, they can connect all games with the same QUDO token. Some of these games are available for mobile and others for PC, so it is pretty easy for everyone to try it out. If you just need a mobile device or a PC to play some of them. Some of these games already have over 10 million downloads because there were games that were not integrated with QUDO before. So the games that were already on the marketplace for quite some time, and they saw QUDO as a way to attract new players because it's not that intrusive. Even if you are a casual player that you don't want to have anything to do with blockchain and creating a wallet whatsoever, you can just simply play the game and not bother with it. It's that easy. But I'm gonna show you in a bit for you guys to have an idea. I just want to give you a run through to the platform so you have like the general statistics, like the most active players, the most effective, so the players that are getting the highest I scores. Some services from the service provider, you see some sound designer, you see a 2D 3D artist, you see a copywriter. And you can even see in real time the players that were playing in each block. Since it is blockchain based, everything is scalable, centralized, and transparent. Well, with no further ado, allow me to show you one of the games. So here we have Juice Cubes, as I just showed you before. And it was from Mobaso, and it is quite an interesting game. It is a different, as kind of a difference from Bejwelt, but well, I like it. But well, don't take my word for it. Let me show you a bit. So let's go. This is the QUDO login button, as I said before. Let me just show you a bit here. It's getting here a bit. Sorry. There we go. So you can see here the balance that I have. You can see the rewards. This game doesn't have achievements, only high scores. You can check out the high scores and achievements. You can even see the leaderboards of the best players of this game and their current high score. You can even, well, grab your rewards. So this is the rewards that I received for playing for my playtime. So I've been playing a bit and I haven't grabbed them, but since we are showing here, you just go here, press grab tokens, and that's it, as easy as that. Once you grab those tokens, they will be on your wallet. Well, but I know you want to see a bit of the gameplay, so let's play a bit. Okay, and it is that my QUDO tokens are already in my wallet, and I just play my game. Simple as that is. It will feel like a normal game, but you are also receiving rewards for your playtime. So I'm playing here and I'm also getting rewarded. And as a game developer perspective, it only took like 30 minutes to implement this. Well, let's see if I can finish this level. Well, I'm sure that some of you already played these type of games. It's quite a popular type of game. Of course, this is the early level, so it's not that hard. And we have a lot of different types of games. So if you go to our platform, you can see that we have puzzle games, we have car games, we have RPG games, we have a lot of different games available on our platform that, well, it can fit to everyone's preference. But we are also open for new games, so if you have an interesting game that you think could benefit from QUDO's features, well, register on our QUDO platform at games.qudo.io, as you can see on screen, and just register. If you are a game developer, register as a game developer and you can start adding your games. If you are a player, just register as a player, and as a service provider, you already know. One other thing that we have on our platform, and it is quite a new feature, is we know the trend of gaming guilds, and we also want that community environment to our platform. So what we did is we decided to have a way to onboard gaming guilds. So if you have a gaming guild, you can also register as a gaming guild and invite your members to the gaming guild. And by creating your gaming guild inside the QUDO platform, you'll be giving an extra rewards for your players, and you also get some rewards for your players' playtime. Players always benefit for being in the gaming guild, because by being by joining a gaming guild, they'll have access to a specific portion of rewards that were not accessible if you were not on a gaming guild. So it's not like if you are a gaming guild, you're gonna give a part of your rewards to the gaming guild. It is like if you are on a gaming guild, you are gonna get more rewards, even though you're giving a small percentage that you will not even have access if you are not on a gaming guild to the actual gaming guild. It might seem a bit complex, but trust me, just try out the platform, it is that easy. One other thing that we have been now developing is, since all games are gonna be using QUDO, we want to use it as a bridge to bring interoperability for NFTs. So currently the platform doesn't support NFTs at this moment. Of course, if you have your own business model with NFTs, you can still use them, but because QUDO is compatible with other business models. So even though we don't advise it, because we kind of develop QUDO as a way or as an alternative for using ads in your games, you can still use it. But once QUDO launches on the mainnet, we expect you to see that there's no need to use ads, so there's no need to bother your players with ads, and you see QUDO as a way, an alternative to using ads, and that's one thing we want to change. One of the things we want to change. I'm gonna do a big combo here. But yeah, if you're a game developer, you have a game that's still under development or is already developed and is standing there on the marketplace without being played, I think is the best thing to do is to reach out to us, register your game on our platform, and we'll start playing them. We already have a community of over 2.5k users, and we are still on the testnet, and most of our promotion was organically. So what are you waiting for? There's no contract obligation, so you can test it out for yourself. If you think it's not a good fit for your game, you can just remove your games from the platform. I don't think there's any downside from a game developer perspective. We started off as game developers ourselves, but we also have the love for blockchain technology. That's why we create QUDO. But we thought that this would be amazing if a lot more people use the same token or the same rewarding mechanism. Yeah, I finished on another level. Well, let's just show you. I'll just show you a bit of the gameplay. As you can see, it is easy. And now I just wanted to show you this. So to register, you just go to games.qdo.io, our platform. You click on the bottom here. You see the login button, and you just register an account. Just go here, register, enter your details, create a password. If you don't have a Telos account name, I'll highly suggest to just leave it like this to create a new Telos account. And if you have a referral, well, please use it, or go to our Discord and Telegram channels and see if anyone can give you a referral name. But once you do it, you just start playing or start adding your games to it. And to know where you can find these games, you just click on the game page and you see the marketplace that the game is available. Like for example, if I want to play this one, just click on it and it shows where the game is available. This is quite an interesting game, Hotel Mania. I played myself a lot of hours on this game. It's really fun. I think you should try it. But well, if you have any questions, please write them on chat. And if you want to reach out to us for any particular topic, we are available. You can just go to our website and enter our socials, Discord and Telegram, or you can even email us on the email that you can find on the bottom of the page. And yeah, that's it. Reach out to us. You have our contacts on our page. Let us know what you think. Show us your games. We can't wait to play them. And that's pretty much it. Thank you all for watching, and enjoy the rest of the event. There's a lot of talks. We are gonna have Jan others on the panel discussion as well. And enjoy, and have a nice Christmas, and have fun playing. Bye.